Hi. So let's solve this guy here. So the first thing you want to do is deal with the bracket. The exponent here. So on the bottom here, we're gonna collect the terms on the top. We're gonna multiply on the top. We're gonna multiply on the bottom. But on the bottom, you have to deal with the squared first. Okay? So get back when you guys don't know head mass brackets, exponents. I guess it's both here. Well, in the bracket, there's nothing to do. So then you work with this exponent here. So you're going to square everything in the bracket. So let's leave the 2 where it is. We'll square this 2, okay, and that becomes 4. Square the b, it becomes b squared. Square the d, it becomes d squared. So you got that. And then up top, we can start multiplying. 8 times 4 is 32. B cubed times b itself is b4. D times d squared is d cubed. And before we cancel the top from the bottom, what we have to do is open up this bracket here, multiply everything by 2. So pretty simple. It just becomes 8 b squared d squared, 32 b4 d cubed. At this point, 32 divided by 8 is 4. B squared divided by b4 divided by b squared is b squared, and then that. So when you're multiplying at any point here, you're going to add, right? So remember that. One is, so you get this 4. The 1 that's supposed to be up here, 1 that's there, and the 2 there add up to this 3. Here, there's not much going on. Just know that when you open up a bracket, the power of a power rule says that b to the 1, which is b squared. What you're going to do is multiply these two to get this b squared here. And d squared, and then when you divide, you subtract. So 4 subtract 2 is 2. 3 subtract 2 is 1, and we usually write it just as d. So that should be your final answer. Hope that helped. And that's it.